I have a problem with my little nice Chinese-made FM radio. It doesn't charge any longer from the power adapter, the black thing over there. So, and what happened was that the socket on the circuit board came off. It's where the knife is pointing to, that little socket is just less than half an inch or 10 millimeters and have 5 terminals, and I don't see exactly how to solder it back. So my solution was to the cable from the power adapter. I cut off the plug, it's there on the battery, and I led it into the radio via the battery compartment. There was a hole there already. Cleared the insulation from the cables, and very important, I fixed the cable. You see, I used a metal wire to fix it to a little post, a plastic post, and then I super glued it on the right side there to the plastic. It must not move. If the cable on the outside of the radio is moved, it would break these little tiny conductors very quickly. I had a problem. I assumed that red was going to go to red into the radio, but it was the other way around, so first try it didn't work. This is the name of the radio, and up there is a complete one which has the same problem. If I was in Asia, I would buy a new one simply for $3-4 and give the old one away to a electronic repair shop. They could repair it and give it away or sell it. Yeah, so I think I have a nice working radio for a while. I have it hanging on the wall at my bed, so it's useful when I go to sleep.